Good morning, students. Welcome to Computer Online class. This is Suguna from Good Samaritan School. Today we are going to continue Chapter 4, more on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Last class you studied about different ways to create a presentation, inserting or editing smart art, adding bullets and numbers, and inserting tables. Today we are going to learn about some more options in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Today's topics are adding and editing themes, animating slide and animating text and object, inserting audio and video, preparing and delivering a presentation. First topic is applying theme. A theme is a set of colors, font and special effect. Theme provide attractive background to our slide. Let us see how to apply a theme to slide in our presentation. We can apply a theme to all the slide or on selected slide. Let us see how to apply a theme to all the slide in our presentation. These are the slide. See here, I have 10 slide. How can you apply the theme to all the slide in our presentation? So first, click the Design tab and go to the theme option here. So this is the theme. Here you have to choose any style you have to choose and right click the theme and give apply to all slide. Now this theme is applied to all the slide. See here, the same theme is applied to all the slide. And the next, let us see how to apply a theme on selector slide. There is a particular slide. This first slide only I change into different theme. How can you change that one? Select the particular one and second one. I want the different theme color means first select this one and then using the control key select the next one. So these two only I want in the different theme. After that, go to the design tab and then choose the any style. Suppose I want this style or this one, anything you have to select it and the right click that one. You got to apply to selector slide. So now see first two slide theme only change. See here. So this is the way you have to apply a theme to all the slide also possible or any a particular slide also possible. Now next topic is how to animating theme. We can change the colors, font, effects and background style for the current theme. This is already a created theme in the slide. Now let us see how to editing theme. Let us see how to change how to change the color for the theme. First you got to select the slide and then go to the design tab and then click the more option here and then here you have to choose the color. See here I'm choosing this color. Here the particular slide theme color only change. And the next, how can you change the background style for the theme? Same way you have to do, select the slide and go to the design tab, click the more option, go to the background style. See here, so at the background, the black color will be display. And the next, see how to change the font for the theme. So same way you have to select the slide and go to the design tab, click the more option and the here font option. Here choose any style you got to choose. It change the font for the theme. This is the way you can insert the theme and also you can edit the theme. Next topic is animations in PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 gives a variety of ways to apply animation to a slide and to the text, graphics and other objects on a slide. What is meant by animation? An animation effect is a special visual or sound effect added to a text or an object on a slide. Let us see how to animating text, object and slide. Let us see how to animating text and object. First, you got to select the text or picture on the slide that you want to animate. Suppose I want to this text. I want to give some animation effect, and then click the animation tab. Here, this is animation group. Here, you can choose any type of animation effect. See here, I am choosing this style. See here, this is the way. See, this is click the preview option. See this one. This is the way you have to animate your text. Same way you have to do the picture also. Suppose for example, this is one image. Click it that one and then go to the animation tab. See here, I am giving fly in effect. See this one now. See the full screen way you can view this effect. If you have Microsoft 2010 means you got to click run slideshow option, but I am PowerPoint 2016. That's why I'm choosing the slideshow and then from beginning. See here, see this effect. See the selecting class. This is a text I given some effect, and another one image I given some effect. So here how to set the animation to the text and picture. So next, let us see how to animating slide. This is called the slide transition. A slide transition is how one slide is removed from the screen and the next slide is displayed during the presentation. You can control how and when the slide should appear during the slideshow using the transition tab. First, you got to select the slide. Which side you want to animate, and then go to the transition tab. Here these are the slide transition style. You can choose any style. You can choose, I am choosing the random bar. I am choosing, see this one, and then after that here you can set the sound effect also possible. See, I am choosing the drum roll sound, and then you can set the time limit also. I am setting just 1 minute I am setting, and then see here apply to all mean the same slide effect set to all the slide. See here now I am clicking apply to all option. Here you can see now you got to run your slide in the full screen mode. If you have the PowerPoint 2010, you are in the status bar in this you can click this slide show icon, but here I have I'm using the PowerPoint 2016. That's why I'm clicking the slideshow option, slideshow tab, and then choosing the from beginning. See here, this is the first style. When the first style coming, I am animated. The drums roll sound also coming. See the another one is the slide effect also coming. See that. See that this is the third step. See here. So this is the way you have to animate your slide or text or picture. Next topic is inserting audio and video. We can add an audio and video in our slide. Adding sound and video to a presentation can be useful in making a presentation more interesting and engaging. There are three ways we can insert audio in our slide. First one is audio from file, and next one is clip art audio, and the third one is we can record our own audio. The same way, there are two ways we can insert video in our slide. Video from file, and the next one is clip art video. Let us see how can you insert audio and video in our slide. Let us see how to insert the audio file. First, click the insert tab and go to the media group and choose the audio option. Here two options will be displayed: audio on my PC, record audio. On my PC means using this option you can choose the audio file from your computer. Record audio means you can record your own audio. First I am choosing audio on my PC. You got to search the audio in your system. In the music folder I have one audio. Click it this one and then click the insert option. Now the speaker icon is a display on my slide. So now click the play button. See this one. The audio will be playing now. This is the way you can insert the audio in your slide. Let us see how can you record your own audio. Click the Insert tab, go to the Media, choose the Audio option, click the Record Audio. Here this dot symbol na, this button used to start record. If you want to record, first press this one and start record. Welcome to computer online class. So I record one thing, just I mentioned welcome to computer online class. So now we got to play this one. See here. Welcome to computer online class. So this is the way you can record the audio, and then you can also insert the audio file from our computer. Students, not only the audio, we can insert a video also possible. Let us see how to insert a video. First click the Insert tab and go to the media group and choose the video. This is PowerPoint 2016. That's why these two options will be display, online video and video on my PC. Online video means you can choose the video from internet. Video on my PC means using this option you can choose the video file present on your system. But in the PowerPoint 2010 it will display two options from file. Another one is clip art video. Video from file means we can choose the video a file present on our computer. Another one is clip art video means using that option you can choose the video file from the clip art taskbar. Here I am choosing video on my PC. So here one video present on my system. Click it that video and then click the insert option. Now video icon display on my screen. So let us see, I show the presentation in the full screen view. See here. So now click the play button.
Good morning, children. Welcome to the Good Samaritan School online classes. Let us all thank and praise God for giving us a new
So this is the way
So
you
here
can
we go,
insert
singing,
video in
praising
your
God.
slide. Next topic is how to preparing a presentation. First one, research properly. Do your research properly and verify fact, figures and data that you may be referring in your presentation. Next, write down key notes or main ideas. Write down your keynotes or main idea. This will help you to remember the information. Practice in front of your family or friends. Ask for feedback after the presentation. And next, how to delivering a presentation. Remember the following during the presentation. First one is keep smiling. It is very important to draw the attention of our audience. Be confident about our presentation. Next, maintain regular eye contact. Next, move your hands to express yourself. Make a good conclusion. It is your final expression on the audience. And the next last one is move around. Don't stand at one place, you have to move around. Student, when you are preparing and delivering the presentation, you have to keep it all these points in your mind. Student, these are the topics discussed in the PowerPoint. Practice all these options. Chapter 4 has been completed. Thank you.